Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Real English News. This is Sharif Ikram Yamani. Let's have today's headlines. Congress candidate for the Malkajgiri Assembly seat, Mallareddy Rangareddy toured the various localities of the area. MIM leader and Chandrangutta Assembly seat constituency candidate Akbaruddin Awaisi met the various people of the Barkas locality during his tour of the area. MIM Yaqutpura Assembly seat candidate Mr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan convened a meeting of the party's areas presidents and areas in charge. MIM President Asad Awaisi toured the various area of the Nampally locality and appealed to the voters to make the party's candidate victorious in the upcoming elections. Congress Gosha Mahal candidates Mukesh Gaur toured the area of Rahimpur and its surrounding areas as a part of his election campaign. Virgin Australian plane hijack rumors were made by a drunken passenger. Let's have news in details. Congress Malkajgiri Assembly seat constituency, Mallareddy and Rangareddy toured the various areas of locality as Padyatra's election campaign. Mr. Reddy organized a huge road show and rally along with his supporters. Mr. Reddy visited many areas of Malkajgiri constituency and met the voters over there. He appealed to the people to vote for the Congress party. MIM Chandrangutta candidate Akbaruddin Awaisi visited to the Barkas locality and met the voters there. Mr. Awaisi on Saturday toured the area of Nurinagar, Islamia Nagar, Hashimabad and other areas of Barkas locality. Mr. Awaisi met with the people in the area and interacted with them. He was given a warm reception at all the places he visited. Mr. Awaisi appealed to all the people to vote for MIM party in the upcoming election. Majlis workers and leaders including Dr. Yunus, Muhammad bin Iqbal, Muhammad Awalgi, Khawi Ansari were present during the Mr. Awaisi tour.
का साथ देने वाले उनके पार्टी के लोग अगर 10-15 बरस से बोले कि अकबर साहब गलत बोल रहे हैं, उसके बाद भी तोड़ कर करवाए और सच्ची बात करता हूँ, सामने खड़ा हूँ तो जिंदगी में बहुत तकलीफ उठाया, गोलियां खाया, जख्मा खाया, फिर दवाखाने में रहा, उसके बाद 40 दिन जेल में रहा, उसके बाद ये इज्जत, ये मोहब्बत, ये दुआ सब मिली। ऐसे ही नहीं मिलती कोई भी चीज। तो आप समझो इस बात को समझिए, समझ के इस्तेफादा उठाइए। बल्लागुड़े में भी एक सेंटर आ रहा है, उसमें भी आप लोग करिए। और मैं पहले भी हाशमाबाद में, वो कौन थी, हाँ, कोंडम्मा के पास स्विमिंग सेंटर डाला था, जिम डाला था, कि सीखना वहां पे, वो एम्ब्रॉयडरी मशीन, हर एक चीज डाला वहां पे कि आके हमारे खवातीन सीखना। अभी भी मैं कह रहा हूं, अगर कोई अच्छा मुकाम है, आप लोग उतनी दूर नहीं जा सकते, तो यहां पर मैं खवातीन को बोलूंगा, कोई
MIM Yaqutpura Assembly seat candidate Mumtaz Ahmed Khan convened a meeting of the MIM's area president and people in charge over there. Mr. Khan convened this meeting, which was attended by the party's area president and a group in charge. Mr. Khan instructed the party workers and leaders to work hard, ensuring the party's victories this time around. Majlis Corporator Wajahat Ali Khan, Wajid Ali Khan, Khwaja Bilal, Shakil Mahmood and others were also present during this meeting.
किसी भी जगह मत जाइए और खुसूसन में जो पोलिंग एजेंट जो पोलिंग बूथ पर बैठने वाले हैं, उनकी जिम्मेदारी है कि वो 6:30 बजे पोलिंग बूथ पर रहें। और पोलिंग बूथ पर बहुत सारे पोलिंग बूथ कंजेस्टेड हैं। अगर आपको बैठने के लिए अगर कुर्सी भी नहीं मिलती तो आप थोड़ा तकलीफ बर्दाश्त करके पोलिंग बूथ पर खड़े रहिए। और शाम तक का आपके पास रिलीवर है, इंशाअल्लाह ताला आप थोड़ी देर के लिए किसी वजह से अगर बाहर जाना चाहेंगे तो आपका रिलीवर आकर आपको, इलेक्शन मेरे लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है। फिर आज जो उम्मीदवार जो आपके दरमियान में है, आप भी अच्छी तरीके से वाकिफ हैं, आप आप जितनी अच्छी तरीके से वाकिफ हैं उससे 1000 गुना ज्यादा मैं वाकिफ हूँ इस उम्मीदवार से। ये बेहूदे किस्म का, एक छिछोरे किस्म का लड़का है, एक कातिल है। ये 2 लड़कों नौजवानों का कत्ल किया। आज ये बीजेपी से साजिश करके बीजेपी के आलेकार बनकर, तमाम फिरका फलत जमातों के आलेकार बनकर मुसलमानों के अंदर एक तफरीका पैदा करना चाह रहे हैं। इनका मकसद कामयाब होना नहीं है, इनका मकसद सिर्फ यही है कि मजलिस इत्तेहाद मुस्लिमीन को नुकसान पहुंचाया जाए। बीजेपी इस वजह से इन आलेकारों को खरीदी कि आप देख रहे हैं कि आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सारे मुल्क का मुसलमान मजलिस इत्तेहाद मुस्लिमीन को चाह रहा है। मुल्क के कोने कोने के अंदर हर मुसलमान ये चाह रहा है कि हमारे यहाँ भी मजलिस इत्तेहाद मुस्लिमीन कायम की जाए।
MIM President Asaduddin Owaisi toured the locality of Nampally Assembly Constituency and met the voters over there. During his tour, Mr. Owaisi appealed to the people to make the party victorious by voting in favor of party's candidate in the upcoming election, which is going to be held on 30th of April 2014. Mr. Asad was given a warm reception by the people of the area. Along with Mr. Owaisi, the MIM Nampally Assembly seat candidate Hussain Miraj along accompanied him during his tour.
कैसा भी जहमत होगी आप तमाम से गुजारिश है कि 30 अप्रैल के दिन वोट डाल के मत बैठ जाइए, तरगीब दीजिए, फोन करिए पड़ोसियों को, दोस्त को बोलिए।
The Congress party candidate Mr. Gaur Mukesh during his election campaign toured the area of Rahimpur, Jalai Hanuman and other surrounding areas. Mr. Gaur visited the houses of the area and met the local people over there for the votes. He appealed to the voters to make him victorious in the upcoming election. Mr. Gaur was given a warm welcome by the people of the area. Telangana wasn't possible without Congress support, says Manmohan Singh. In Bhongir, in a world attack on TRS, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh said two Usmala parties are trying to take credit for the formation of Telangana. It would not have been possible without the hard work put in by the Congress. Congress NCP returns to ban Baba Ramdev in Maharashtra. The Congress and NCP Saturday strongly protested against Baba Ramdev comments on Rahul Gandhi, with both parties pretending to ban the yoga guru Mr. Ramdev entering Maharashtra. The daughter of Dalits are not stranded without shelter. Ramdev has insulted the entire Dalits community, said Nationalist Congress Party Executive President Jitendra Ohada. He termed Ramdev's statement that Rahul Gandhi visits house of Dalits for honeymoon and picnic as shocking.
नहीं कराया, हम किसी की पत्नी को क्यों रखेंगे? ये कोई बात हुई? और देखो भाई, मोदी और बाबा रामदेव मजबूरी में फकीर नहीं बने राहुल गांधी की तरह। और उस बेचारे की किस्मत ही खराब, उसको लड़की नहीं मिल रही। और उसकी मम्मी कहते मेरा मुन्ना, तूने विदेशी लड़की से ब्याह करा लिया तो तू प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बनेगा। देसी से वो कराना नहीं चाहता। मम्मी चाहती है पहले प्रधानमंत्री बन जाए फिर विदेशी लड़की को लाए। और ये लड़का जो है वो देसी से शादी नहीं कराना चाहता। हनीमून करने के लिए, पिकनिक के लिए जरूर दलितों के घर में जाता है, लेकिन किसी दलित की लड़की से शादी कर लेता तो वो भी दौलत बंद हो जाती और इसका भी भाग्य खुल जाता, ये भी प्रधानमंत्री बन जाता। लेकिन क्या करे?
Puzzle logic at work. Oman on PM's brother joining BJP. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Umar Abdullah on Saturday said that euphoria in BJP over roping in Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and known brother Dalit Singh Kohli should mind-blowing logic at work. Umar wrote on microbloggingtwitter.com, referring to BJP criticism on Singh as a weak Prime Minister. Umar said national opposition party cannot have its both way. The BJP goes to town calling after PM irrelevant, yet making a song and dance of his brother joining them. How can they have it both ways? He questions. Ukraine crisis, Moscow to help free European observers. Moscow says it will do all it can bring about the release of European military observers detained in eastern Ukraine by pro-Russian separatists. The assurance came as all diplomats released they will meet on Monday to discuss new sanctions against Russia. Virgin Australian plane in hijack alert after drunk passenger Matt Lockley storms rumors. Man trying to force his way into the cockpit mid-flight, promoting the pilot to report a hijack attempt. A drunken passenger who caused a hijack scare by attempting to force his way into the cockpit of a Virgin Australian flight has been arrested after the plane landed safely in Bali. Let's have a look on today's sports news. Robert Martin says Everton's hopefully dream is not ever despite St. Louis. Everton boss Robert Martins refuses to believe his side's hope of qualifying for the Champions League are over following a 2-0 defeat at Southampton. Manchester United Donny Dutch Peppers claims that Louis van Gaal has agreed. Louis van Gaal has agreed terms to become Manchester United next manager, and he will bringing in Dutch striking legend Patrick Kluivert with Nest as his assistant, according to press in the Netherlands, but the club deny any rumors. Premier League latest scores and updates live. Live text and radio commentary on 4 Premier League matches and Football League update before Manchester United host Norwich. To get live updates and watch our videos correct, you must enable JavaScript. David Moyes cropped out of Man United Susan tickets renewal photos after. Manchester United have cropped former manager David Moyes out of their photographs as they look to entice fans to renew their season ticket for next season. Cristiano Ronaldo and Gareth Bale are top class, but Lionel Messi is better. Neymar backs team mate in battle to the world's best. It is easy to forget that Neymar Jr. is barely 22-year-old. Playing alongside Lionel Messi, expectations from him are very high, particularly when the likes of Pele claim Neymar is already better than his Barcelona colleague. Let's have a look on today's stock market. Sensex 22,608.07 with minus 0.82 as percent, whereas Nifty for today stands with 6,782.75 with minus 0.85%. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates according to Malabar Golds. Gold rates for today's, that is 26th April, for 10 grams of gold is rupees 28,100 for 22 carats of gold, whereas rupees 29,720 for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams. Whereas silver rates for today, that is 26th of April, is rupees 460 for 10 grams. Let's have a look on today's weather report of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius, maximum 42 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 29 degrees Celsius and maximum 41 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius and maximum 42 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 30 degrees Celsius and maximum 44 degrees Celsius. Adilabad minimum temperature 30 degrees Celsius and maximum 44 degrees Celsius. Whereas Khammam for today stands 27 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature, whereas maximum temperature was 46 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. Congress candidate for the Malkajgiri Assembly seat, Mallareddy Rangareddy, toured the various localities of the area. MIM leader and Chandrangutta Assembly seat constituency candidate Akbaruddin Owaisi met the various people of the Barkas locality during his tour of the area. MIM Yaqutpura Assembly seat candidate Mr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan conveyed a meeting of the party's areas presidents and areas in charge. MIM President Asad Owaisi toured the various area of the Nampally locality and appealed to the voters to make the party's candidate victorious in the upcoming elections. Congress Gosha Mahal candidates Mukesh Gaur toured the area of Rahimpur and its surrounding areas as a part of his election campaign. Virgin Australian plane hijack rumors were made by a drunken passenger. That's all in this newscast for today. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.